When you do make a vision board, comment down below, or even like this video if you have a vision board. So I have a planner. I use it when I want to, when I need to. I don't write in this thing every day. Sometimes I do, especially in the summer because I'm a teacher and I just have more time, but I'm not a huge planner anymore. I don't write stuff down. I write a lot of sticky notes, but anyways, so I have a vision board in my planner because I'm constantly in and out of here, whether it's for phone numbers or doctor's appointments that I've written down. But I do want to share, I have it in two places and I actually glued it to the front, but I'm not going to show you that one because I have a few personal things that I wrote down on there because, again, it's easy access and I'm constantly looking at this. But this is the size of my vision board. It's all over the place. This pertains to just me, and I made this in Google Drawing. And I have on here a section that is geared towards losing weight. And when I lose weight, I like to set a goal for losing 5 pounds at a time. Forget the rest. 5 pounds. It takes you 5 weeks, 5 months. 5 pounds is 5 pounds. So, and I definitely recommend losing weight at a slow pace. So, I have actually app on here that I want to lose a few pounds because I've actually gained a few since last November. A few meaning, well, 8, but I really want to lose about 10. And I will probably never get down to the weight I was when I first lost a ton of weight off of Weight Watchers. It's not, I don't know. It's not, I don't know. That's a whole other discussion. But so that's what I recommend. I recommend you making a vision board, sticking to it, making it really personal. Put it somewhere where maybe you will see it every day. Put it on your fridge. Mine is so personalized that my daughter questions me a lot about it. Like, oh, what does this mean? So I actually put it in here to kind of hide it because she doesn't need to know some of the stuff that's on here. It's all well and good. However, there's some stuff that you don't need to explain to a small child that's on your vision board. And then I wanted to share one more thing with you. And I don't know where I got this inspiration from. I remember doing this. This was a big deal for me. I just wanted to share with you. I think maybe Weight Watchers did this. Maybe they did. I'm not sure. It doesn't matter. I'm not going to ramble. But I'm going to show you my pants, my jeans that I had when I was at my heaviest. I purchased these. I remember I purchased these and why. It was, I needed to go up a size bigger. I don't know if I want to share my size. I just don't like the comparison. Guys, I'm 5 feet tall. All right, my bone structure is like, it's petite. I'm very, very petite. But anyways, I bought a size 12 because I needed something that I could comfortably sit in. And so I bought these Levi jeans. So these were my jeans at the time. And I wore them, but not too long, because at that point I was like, are you kidding me? I really need to do something about this. And I think I've talked in another video very briefly, but I went through a time in my life where I gained weight over the course of maybe 5 or 6 years. It may have been more than that. It slowly crept up. And I was dealing with some stuff that I couldn't control until I learned how to control what I could control, if you know what I mean. So anyway, so I have these. I saved them. They are not hanging anywhere. I had to go downstairs for them. But anyways, they're a nice pair of Levi jeans. And what I ended up doing was I wrote a note to myself. It's in the back pocket. So wherever you are at on your journey, if you have not done this yet, do it, because I get this out a lot. it says a note to self. And I'm going to read it because, and I think it sounds kind of corny, but really it doesn't. And when I read this, it kind of brings some mist to my eyes. But anyways, it says, these pants are a memory because I have believed in myself and the truth about willingness or will, courage and strength. I understand and believe in the power of self-preservation. And I signed it. And that's a letter to myself. I've never shared that with anyone, but you, because I think every now and then I get this out and I'm like, yep, I remember how I felt when I wrote that. I was at my goal weight, but when I jumped to a 10 for an 8 to a 10 and then 12s just to be comfortable, I knew something had to change. So I hope this, just something clicks here maybe, and if you're, wherever you're at in your journey, I hope that you are inspired. You might write a note to yourself, make a vision board, you guys, okay? I do it every year on my birthday. I don't get it done and really think about it. Every year I think about this, it changes. My vision board last year had a bunch of X's through it because I knocked some stuff out of the park. And a lot of these goals here, going back to the vision board thing, a lot of these are things that I need to see. These are some long-term goals and very short-term goals. That's very important. Yeah. I definitely recommend the vision board. Keep it handy, keep it somewhere. This, my vision boards have been all over my house. Just a place where I can go and constantly look at it, because when you visualize or daydream about something, hope you learned a little bit and have a few takeaways. So anyways, take care and thanks for subscribing.